Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Usha. So, as you have understood with the thumbnail also, yes, today I'm going to share the recipe of yummy, cheesy Domino's style pizza at home. So, without further delay, let's get started. For the pizza, the toppings which I have chosen that you can see, I took red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, mushrooms, corn, and green bell peppers, and onions. You can choose the topping as per your choice. So, now we will start the preparation. First, we will start the preparation for dough. So, for the dough preparation, I took 300 grams all-purpose flour. I am adding 1 spoon dry yeast in it, 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon sugar in it. Mix all the ingredient properly. Now I will add 2 to 3 tablespoon of olive oil in it. Mix everything properly. Now I will add water slowly, and we have to make a dough. I am taking 175 ml of water in it. We have to make a dough or loose dough. Now fix it properly. We need to knead it properly and knead it and beat it as much as you can do it. And see this, the dough which we kneaded for our pizza. Now we will keep this dough for resting for another 2 hours for the fermentation. Cover it and keep it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, as you can see, the dough is almost done. It's almost fermented. So now we will mix it properly once, like this. I'm taking it in a roller and mashing it properly. Knead it properly with the hand. Okay, now it's done. So now let's prepare it. I took a small dough and then you can roll it like this, or you can do it with your hand also. Now in a tray, first dust it with the whole purpose flour and the suji, and then keep the base of the pizza like this. You have to do. And now we need to apply the pizza sauce. Pizza sauce you can use homemade, or you can use which is available in the market. Now we need to sprinkle mozzarella cheese all over. You need to sprinkle as much as cheesy you want your pizza. Now we will add the toppings. This is the red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers. You can decorate the way you want it. You can. Okay, now we will add the green bell peppers. Some mushrooms also we will add. Onion. And now mushrooms. Now after adding all the toppings, we will add again the mozzarella cheese on the top of it. I am adding mozzarella cheese and parmesan cheese, both the cheese I am adding. As much as cheesy you want, that much cheese you have to add on it. So now as you can see, the base is almost done. Now we will keep it inside the microwave oven, which I have already put for preheated for 180 degree, and we'll cook it for another 15 minutes. So now you can see the cheese pizza is done. Now we will make a pizza in a tawa. So take a base. First we will cook the base from both the sides once. Slightly we'll cook it like this. Now spread the cheese on it. if you wanted to know the homemade pizza sauce recipe, that is at the end of this video, so please do watch it. Now I am adding all the toppings on the top of it, and now add all mozzarella cheese. After this we will keep it for cooking for 10 minutes. Now you can see the pizza is done. See the cheesy pizza on pan, it's almost done. It is so cheesy and the crust is so good. Hope you really like the video of the pizza. Do make it for your family at home and enjoy it with your family. Now if you really wanted to know how to make the pizza sauce at home, so let's do the preparation for pizza sauce. First we will boil 5 to 6 tomatoes. We need to peel it off like this. We need to peel off the skin of all the tomatoes and then chopped it. Now take a hot pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in it. Now I'll add chopped garlic in it. Just slightly saute it, we do not have to cook it. After this we will add chopped tomatoes. After adding all the tomatoes, mix it properly. Now add salt as per the taste and some basil leaves. If you don't have basil leaves, you can use tulsi also, which is at home always available. Now we will add little bit of chili flakes on it. Mix all the ingredients properly. Just cook it for a minute and then we need to grind it. So this is our yummy pizza sauce is ready. Hope you really like the video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.